I'm Ben Gaunt, I'm the director at SG Haulage. We're a family-run business, been going since 1993. We provide specialist transport across the UK and Europe. Our main customer base is built on our reputation as being on time all the time. Before we got into the H-TEC system, everything was done manually, so we was working out the fuel figures manually, relying on data provided by Scania and Volvo and DAF. We was relying on their sources, not actually seeing it ourselves. Our tracking was just a standard tracking system. It wasn't real time, it wasn't great. H-TEC come, they removed all the tracking that we previously had, all the cameras we previously had, and we started from scratch.
SG have a large fleet of tractor units, rigids, moffets, vans. The whole fleet has been kitted out with the Geotab system. This provides their real-time tracking, which is vital for a company the size of SG Haulage, and especially with all the high-valued equipment and special movements that they do on a day-to-day basis.
They fitted the full London DVS system, all recording cameras, load cameras on the back of the cab, on the back of trailers where needed. This made a massive impact to our business, where we've been able to prove our innocence in insurance claims. Where we was tried to be proven guilty through an incident, when you look back on the footage, actually was proven that we wasn't at fault, and it saved us around £10,000 since my Geotab has been installed in our vehicles.
So the key benefits of having the Geotab solution installed into the SG Haulage fleet means that they're able to accurately monitor their drive behaviour and the vehicle performance as well. So since the Geotab system's been installed, we've seen that the collision risk has reduced by 50%. This is because SG are then able to pick up on the drivers who aren't performing as well as they should be with harsh braking, harsh accelerating, but at the same time they're also being able to reward the drivers that are doing well.
Made our life easier in the office. If we can't get hold of a driver on the site to see what's going on, if he's been there a long time, we can simply just click on the cameras, look, see what's going on. If there's a traffic problem and we can't get hold of the driver, we can see. It's really good, it's a great system.
So having the data all available on Geotab means they have been able to apply for the 4 Silver, so they are now 4 Silver accredited. This then gives them the opportunity to go for 4 Gold in the future.
I would definitely recommend them, highly recommend them. I think the system's great, the backup's great, the people themselves are great, and you'll just get a great service.